Hi, I'm David Ehrbar. I'm a development engineer, mechanical engineering, simulation, calculation. Actually, I have for quite some time I have my own engineering services company and also do some 3D printing and CAD design. Yeah, the last years I have worked for Serpent, where I mostly where I mostly designed the cars for them. The most famous probably the 4X, but also the F110, SF3 and SF4, and also the some other cars. Anyways, right now we don't have races, so there is time for different kinds of projects. And yeah, many of you have seen my video from our micro scale racetrack in our office. This is quite some fun, and yeah, this time I want to show you something different. I've worked on a motor testing machine. So basically it consists of a flywheel. I can also remove the cover. Right now all of this is like a prototype. It's basically everything is 3D printed except the flywheel and the shaft, of course. Yeah, but anyways, for showing the function and checking everything, this is fine. I just put the cover back on. So, and I have the display here, and yeah, the rest is just the electronics from the RC car. So just standard ESC receiver and a LiPo battery, and of course the motor. It's just connected to the flywheel here. And yeah, to test it, all you have to do is use your standard radio, switch it on, switch the ESC on, and connect the power for the display. So, okay, it lights up. It gives you instructions what to do. Basically, it's just full power, full throttle, wait until the RPM settles, and then go full brakes. So we go full power now. We go on the brake. Okay, so you have listed here the RPM, torque, and power. Yeah, and some sensor checking. But yeah, that's basically you have all the information you need to judge whether your motor has good power or not, how it will perform, and you can compare it. You can you can compare two motors. You can change the settings, the timing settings on the motor, and see what it's doing. Actually, you can also test your battery with it. You can run the same test with different LiPo batteries, no problem. It will show you the performance difference. I have put some effort into making everything simple and easy to use. But yeah, of course, it's still a prototype, and many things, basically everything can still be changed. I can add more functions. Let me know what else you would need if you would be interested in something, in buying something like this. Right now it's of course 3D printed, and I would not sell it like this, but I could make the housing in sheet metal, the base plate in machined aluminium, probably black anodized. Also the bulkheads here could be aluminium. Yeah. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I will keep you updated with more interesting projects. Yeah, see you soon, and hopefully also at the racetrack.